Amen.
Ilan lúc này thì cứ vậy à?
Today we are going to present about the Mekong River in Laos. Let's start. The River. The Mekong River in Laos. In Laos. Let me start. The Mekong River. Let me start. Mekong River in Laos. Mekong River to Laos 1,835 kilometers from to the south. The river is the main navigation and province the main navigation and province food in China and Laos, Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, Thailand, Laos, Myanmar, Thailand, Cambodia, and Vietnam.
Is from Bongao province, Kongkabing in Pasak province, from the Pak to town people who live this town. People who live along the Mekong River have asked them to navigation tour. People navigation road. People transport food and products by boat on the Mekong.
Lao people who live on the Mekong can go fishing all the year round. The best season to go the wet season when the water level is high. People can go fishing for their own consumption or selling fish in marketplace. In the concern, the Mekong River is the main geographical component of Laos as it is the main source of food supply and the navigation road. Thank you very much.
Nó nè, là cho tú hai số sự là cho tú hai số sự cho là sau đi nọ xem cho được xin gì đó nhá rồng